This week, hundreds of immigrants and advocates will be at the state capitol doing something we've covered a lot here on the news at 7, continuing their push for expanded Husky health coverage.
Somos uno, no somos 100.
This is a rally for the expansion of that Medicaid program to undocumented immigrants back in 2022, and it's just one of many the local immigrant community has held over the past few years. Of the 65,000 undocumented immigrants living in Connecticut, 58% were uninsured, according to 2019 data from the Migration Policy Institute. That's compared to 5.9% uninsured rate for Connecticut residents as a whole that same year.
We see that folks don't have access to healthcare, and it affects children, it affects older adults, and it affects everyone in our community.
It's why the Husky for Immigrants Coalition is holding 2 events this week. On Wednesday, about 70 high schoolers will be using their spring break to put on a Student Day of Action press conference and rally at the Legislative Office Building for Husky Health to expand to immigrants up to age 18. Some students are advocating for themselves.
Some students are covered, some of them are not covered. So this is a chance for all students to get together and stand as one voice.
And then on Thursday, healthcare professionals will join advocates to deliver a letter signed by more than 300 healthcare providers in support of expanding Husky to all income eligible Connecticut residents, regardless of immigration status.
Improve access to preventative health care programs, because we know that if we're able to catch it on the earlier side, they won't get to that chronic and emergency needs. Second of all, decrease the healthcare usage and overburdening of our hospital systems, which we see all the time, especially after COVID. We know that the emergency rooms are being overwhelmed and being overused, honestly, as preventative care, as primary care visits. And then thirdly, it's really to decrease the healthcare costs to our state.
Now, the state legislature has expanded Husky Medicaid coverage over the past few years. During the 2021 session, undocumented immigrant ages 0 to 8 became eligible. In 2022, coverage extended to those up to age 12. Then last year, in the 2023 session, Husky coverage expanded up to age 15. That will go into effect in July. But the advocates say that puts any undocumented person over 15 with a medical problem in a tough position.
Some members of my family are undocumented, including my dad. He suffered a heart attack 3 years ago, and it has been very difficult to see my father not having access to a specialist.
The group is asking lawmakers for an expansion of this coverage directly through the Appropriations Committee.